Your books? Oh, one dropped. You gonna put it back up? You think you might stand up? Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Think it's so grainy how you stand up? No, you're just gonna pull the books off. Maybe? What do you think? Looking at those fun books? Yeah. Just have your books. No standing? Oh, that one's gonna get stuck. Uh-oh. Huh? What's up there? Oh, there you are. Where's your books? Are there any books up there now? I don't know. They're over in the basket. What you gonna do? Oh, you gonna grab one? Where's baby's belly button? Hi. Hi, Bug. Oh, you found your ladybug book. They Mommy took that away a little bit ago. Oh, I wonder if you're going to be able to reach it. Oh, Pumpkin, be careful. Oh, Lord. What do you think? You're pulling out lots of books? Alright, well, we're going to say bye-bye to your tushy. Say Benjamin. Uh-oh. Let me help you out.